Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain what are strings in Java. So let's get started. So what is a string? What is a string? Theoretically, I'm going to cover in this session what is a string. String in simple terms is nothing but sequence of characters, sequence of characters which are surrounded by double quotes. Okay, in Java, if you create a sequence of characters which are surrounded by double quotes, that is simply called as a string. For example, let me give an example for you for a string. Examples otherwise. Okay, instead of example, I am going to give you multiple examples. For example, let me type my name. If I type my name here, so is this particular name that I have typed here is nothing but a sequence of character. This is one character, this is another character, another character, another character. Even space is also one character, guys. Okay. Even space is also a character. So all these are the different characters and this is a sequence of characters. So is this a string? Not it. Sequence of characters which are surrounded by double quotes. In Java, the sequence of characters which are surrounded by double quotes is nothing but a string. So we can take any number of examples, guys. For example, if I take car, which is surrounded by double quotes. Hi, surrounded by double quotes. These are the different examples of the strings, guys. Okay, these are the different examples of the strings. So anything, any character, it can be a number also. For example, if I try to give this number 1, 2, 3, it is also a sequence of characters. If I am surrounding this with double quotes, this is also a string only. Okay. What if I give something like around, okay, 1, 2, 3, dollar hash, percentile. Okay. These are also sequence of characters, whether it is alphabets or lowercase, uppercase, numerical data or symbols. Okay. Anything can be called as a characters, guys. Sequence of characters surrounded by double quotes in Java is called as a string. These are all the examples of a string. Strings in Java, guys. Okay. So this is a way of representing strings in Java. But how to create such kind of strings? Can we directly write this and say that they are created? Strings are created? No. You see here, these are strings. But how to create them? There's a process of creating the strings in Java, guys, that I'm going to cover in the next session. Okay. In Java, how to create such kind of strings for programming purpose. I'm going to cover in the next session. So in this session, only the theoretical part explaining what exactly is a string, which is a sequence of characters which are surrounded by double quotes is nothing but a string. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.